say a round kick or whatever I say, you can do other things as well. Alright, here we go. Kicking, snap. Snap kick. Back leg snap kick. Land in the back. Snap kick. Snap kick. How about front leg round? Round kick. Round kick. Snap kick. Round kick. What about the other leg? Round kick. Or hook. Or round kick. Get back quick. Or hook. Snap kick. Snap kick. Round kick. Round kick. Or crescent if you crescent. Or spin. Or if you don't, just do round kick. Or tornado. Snap kick. Snap kick. That's your most important kick. Snap kick. How about axe kick? Come down from the top. Down from the top. If you don't know axe kick, just do snap kick again. Snap kick. Snap kick. Round kick. Round kick. Axe kick. Axe kick. What? Round kick? Or hook? Or inside crescent? I know I'm going fast. Keep up. You can. Snap kick. Round kick. Crescent if you know it. Spinning crescent. Tornado. Get your stance. Snap kick. Snap kick. How about axe kick? How about hook? Hook. How about inside crescent? How about snap kick? Round kick. Snap kick. Axe. Round. Snap. Snap. Hook. Snap kick. 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 Round kick. Hook. Snap kick. Round kick. Axe. Snap kick. Round kick. Hook. Snap kick. Round kick. Snap kick. Snap kick. Round kick. Hook. Axe.